Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 18. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of switch statements. Switch statements are essential for controlling the flow of your programs, especially when dealing with multiple possible conditions. Think about navigating clean menus or making quick decisions. Forget endless if-else chains. It's time to switch over. Why choose a switch statement over a series of if-elseif-else statements? It simplifies complex logic, vastly improves code readability, and often leads to faster execution times. Let's explore the structure of the switch statement in MATLAB, which is straightforward and highly effective. The basic syntax starts with switch, followed by an expression, then case for each potential value, and finally end to close the block. Here's a quick example. Switch day, case 1, mon, end. If the variable day equals 1, it executes the code for mon. What if you need the same action for multiple different values? Switch statements make this incredibly easy. In MATLAB, you can group multiple conditions for a single case by enclosing them in a cell array. This avoids repeating the same code block for different case values. For instance, if days 1 and 7 are both weekend, you can write case 1, 7, weekend, much cleaner than two separate if blocks. Just like the else in an if-else structure, the otherwise clause in a switch statement handles all unmatched conditions. The otherwise clause is the default action. If the switch expression doesn't match any preceding cases, the code under otherwise is executed. If day is 8 and you only have cases 1 through 7, the code under otherwise would run, perhaps displaying invalid day number. Switch statements are a powerful tool for streamlining conditional logic in your MATLAB scripts, making them more organized and easier to maintain. Remember, efficient branching leads to faster code execution and is a major speed hack for clean coding. Practice integrating switch statements into your own projects. Look for places where you can replace long if-else chains for cleaner code. See you in the next lesson.